Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful polka dot baby dress for a 1 to 2 year old. It features cute tie shoulders and it's easy to follow. So let's get right into the details. To make this dress I'll be working with a cotton rayon fabric, and I have here two pieces of the fabric that I've cut out, where I'll be drafting both the front and then the back of this beautiful baby dress. So the width of my fabric is 21.5 inches, and I also have a total length of 17 inches for this dress. So the next thing you are going to do is you fold your fabric into two. So I'm going to fold it into two, and cotton rayon is a very soft fabric, so I'm going to be holding my fabric with pegs so they don't shift away while I'm cutting it out. So I have the folded end of my fabric here, and I have the pieces towards this side as well. From the top, I'm going to be marking out 7 inches for my neckline. So mark it out from where you have the folded end. And from that mark, I'm going to go down by 1.5 inches for my armhole. And I'll be connecting a straight line to join these 2 points together. I would also go in by 1.5 inches again on this fabric. I'll mark that out and connect a line to join the points on this fabric. So the next thing to do is to connect a straight line from the chest line to the hem of the dress. Then I'm going to curve in my armhole. From where I have the folded ends, I'm going to go in by half an inch, and this is going to prevent the neckline from gaping. So go in by half an inch, mark, and reconnect a straight line from that point to touch the armhole line. On the hem of the fabric, I'm going to go up by 1 inch and slant a curve towards the center front of my dress. So I'm done. I'm going to cut out this fabric. So I'll start by cutting off the neckline, then I would cut the armhole and then the sides of the dress, and I'll complete it by cutting out the hemline as well. So if you're enjoying this tutorial, do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, like the video, comment, and then share with your loved ones. After cutting, I'm going to unfold my fabric, and I'll be having two pieces, one for the front and one for the back. So the next thing we are going to do is we'll form tiny pleats at the neckline of this dress for both pieces of fabric. So I formed the pleat, and this is what the front and then the back of my dress looks like. I'm going to measure the neckline. I have 7 inches, and I also have 7 inches on the other neckline as well. So pleat to a total length of 7 inches. So I have here my bias strip. This strip is 1 inch in width. I'm going to be using this to clean the neckline of my dress. So I'll start from the wrong side of my fabric. I'll stitch this down, and when I'm done stitching the neckline, I'll fold it towards the right side of the fabric and then top stitch it down as well. So I'll be repeating the same process for the other side of my dress. Start from the wrong side of the fabric and then turn it towards the right side. Then you top stitch to complete the neckline. So this is what the dress looks like after stitching down the neckline. It's looking so good already. So next we are going to be cleaning the armhole of our dress. For that, I have 4 strips of the bias tape I use for the neckline here. This strip of bias tape is 17 inches in length, so you can make it shorter or longer, but make sure that it's long enough so you can tie it on the shoulders. So I'm going to pick the strip and then clean the armhole. I'll be doing that from the wrong side, and then I would stop stitch on the right side and stitch down the bias strip. So I'll repeat the same for the other sides of the armhole. Stitch from the wrong side, turn to the right side, top stitch, and stitch down the bias tape to form the straps. So these are the straps of my dress. I'm going to bring in the other side of the dress and then place it right sides facing each other. I'll place it on top, and then I would align the sides properly. Then when I'm done with that, I'm going to be stitching the sides together on my sewing machine. So stitch down the other side as well. I'll be stitching down on 1/2 inch seam allowance, and I'll also complete the hem of the dress by folding in 1/4 inch twice to clean the hemline. And that is how simple it is to make this dress. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in our next tutorial. Thank you so much for making time to watch this video.